Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video guys, I will be showing you how to make a sea boil, how to boil seafood. Okay, right here I have a lobster. You can see here I have a lobster right in here guys. Okay, I will be showing you how to prepare it. And right here I have some crab. Okay guys, so I'll be showing you guys how it's. These are the ingredients I'll be needing for this seafood boil. Right here I have a sausage. Here I have basil leaf right in here. I have some salt right in here. Here I have potato. Here I have sweet corn. Here I have shallot onion, some garlic, curry, black pepper, lemon, and I have butter. Okay guys, as you can see I have my boiling water right in here, my boiling pot right in here guys. What I will do right now guys, I will be adding the black pepper, okay, and the curry right inside this boiled water. I'll be adding some garlic, okay, and the shallots. Butter right inside, okay. The salt, so you have to add a lot of salt, okay. Make sure it boiled very well. I have got some your sushi right inside. Now boiling the lobster first, okay. The lobster, I will be boiling this first. We'll allow it to boil for 10 minutes guys. 10 minutes, okay. 10 minutes, not more. Okay guys, let's check it out. Okay, let's see. You can see, look at it guys, you can see. as you can see, look at that, guys. It's ready. Guys, check it out how yummy it is. Look at that, guys. You can just open a punch like this. Okay. Bring it out like this way, guys. So yummy. Yummy it is. You can see, very yummy, guys. So hard. Can see that? Check it out. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So yummy, guys. Use it to eat your mayonnaise. Oh, mayonnaise is very, very yummy. Okay, guys, very, very yummy. If you like this recipe, guys, give it a thumbs up. If you like this my recipe, if you want more of this seafood, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to on the bell notifications so that anytime I have a new upload, you will be notified. See you guys on my next vlog, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.